was just sent this bamboo under the bed storage container. This is a really neat idea because you can actually not use it under the bed, and you can just use it for toys. You can stack it up and put it in shelves, whatever you're wanting to do, because this is a really pretty design. It's not just, you know, a little Pyrex box shoved underneath the bed. It is an actual nice wooden bamboo. It has this really nice just dust bag that's inside here. So if you wanted to just take this stuff out with you, you can take it out and take it with you somewhere, store it, and then you still have this really pretty wooden surface here that's out for design. The size of these is 23.62 by 16.54 by 7.6. And you actually have 4 rolling casters at the bottom that go in a 360 motion. So that's really nice. So you can easily just put this under the bed for your storage. Or if you didn't want to add the wheels on, these can just stack, like I said. So we're going to go ahead and put this one under the bed, and then I'm going to show you how to assemble this. So we just slide that under there, and that was easy. Now I know where things are, nice and easy storage, and it looks really pretty. It does have a 40-liter capacity in this little dust bag that's with it. And it is a zippered dust bag, so that way it keeps everything off of it. And it'll just keep it a little fresher and everything within this bag. The actual wooden pieces here, once it's all assembled, it can hold up to 120 pounds. So let's get it put together and then we will stack it. It comes with all of the pieces you need. So your first steps are just to take your pieces, and you get the 2 and put them together. And you're gonna want all these little dots on the outsides, because your next steps are just going to be adding in all of these nice railings. So you get 2 folding longer rails. You put those joints on the outside, and then we are going to screw those in. And then after we're done with that, you take these and we're going to screw these in on the outside, and then it's done. Super simple, does not take much, and they give you all the tools. Now I have both sides on. I'm just going to put on this last 2 sides. And whenever you do that, you just want to make sure that your pieces are down here, the little holes, so that way you can put in the optional rollers if you want them. So then we just screw in all 4 sides here, and then we put on the other side and we screw in the 4 sides over there. And then we have our box. So I've got this one completely done and actually left the wheels off of it. But if you did want to add the wheels, they're just right here. You take your little wheel and you just shove it in the hole, and then you've got that. But I want to show you how easily these can also stack. So if you wanted to put some toys in one, you throw your toys in there and have it all together. Then you can take others and just stack them right on top. And then you have a nice little display within your house. So this is a really neat idea. I love how they have the optional casters or not. And the nice wood is very pretty bamboo. Rotating wheels. These are nice under bed storage cabinets.